I want to. Clean it off.
It's really raining over here.
That's the same as right here.
These kids are crazy.
What are you doing? Wait, you videotaping it?
Yes.
Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Hold on.
Videotape me.
Wait, hold on. I'm gonna be a smart person and put some shoes on.
Like
You guys are just so... I think she thinks she's gonna fly away.
I'll fly away. Join for baby.
Fly like a bird. Not run like a bird. Fly like a bird.
You ready?
I hope his shoes don't get really messed up.
Does dog here now?
Huh?
Dog's not here.
No.
Just
No.
go over here. We need to get some lightning.
I have like...
Oh my god.
I can't believe these people are really out here like this.
Yeah, people.
All I did was call them. Okay, you're under the that makes no sense.
Didn't make no sense.
Ooh, look at her. She is... Come here, Chaz.
Hi. Hello, Brain.
Shh.
I don't know how her feet hurt.
They probably do.
Did your feet hurt?
I just called.
He's all glistening, all wet. We can't see you a little bit.
I'm in the picture.
Oh yeah, there it is.
Ain't that my sisters?
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh my.
Where's she?
I'm Superwoman.
Get your butt up. Get up.
Mom.
No, get up. Mariah, that is... Get up.
I don't know how good this will do for my hands, but
Jasmine, I peed. I'm just joking. Look.
You are crazy. He's coming. Oh.
Oh.
We have nothing else to do.
Look, it looks like she's.
Okay, people. Let's go in.
no.
Everybody say...
Good night. They are scaredy cats. I went with no shoes, no jacket, and I went jumper baby.
Well, look, my feet hurt, so I put on some shoes.
What do you...
I gotta go pee.
Ew, that's not something you should say on the camera. But no, I really put some shoes on.
I should lock him out.
I have keys. You know, like I have keys.